Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Bigo Live Lite app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to first of all log in into your Bigo Live Lite account, you need to tap open your Bigo Live Lite. So here all you need to do is simply type in the phone number you had used before to create a Bigo Live account. Then hit up on the sign up or login with phone option, or you can also log in with the help of Facebook. Then type in your password of your account and tap on login option. Once you do this, you will get logged in into your Bigo Live Lite app. So the credentials that you have used can be of the credentials that you used in Bigo Live. The Lite version is just the same as Bigo Live version, however in storage capacity. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.